Hello guys. In previous class we already draw a plan of a walls, kitchen, bedroom and etc. We already draw. Next we should add the next we added the doors and windows. Here this is my doors and this is my windows. I will show again and click on here rectangle and select the rectangle and here we should select the rectangle option. Okay. The door size size is here we should select the specific point and click on rectangle and select the specific point and size is 3 inches and comma 3 feet. Enter it. We get it here. Again we should draw a rectangle and click on rectangle, click on delete option and here we should select. Again we click on rectangle, select the specific point like this we should okay and we should here we get it. Okay, we want to plan here and this is the 3 feet, sorry 3 feet and comma 6 feet. Enter it. It will be getting the rectangle and next we should move move and attach here like this. We should attach here, we can see here like this we should attach. Then go click on the move option and select the object and here click on move, select the object and specific point we should add at the specific point here and move towards the this point and click on it. Okay, we did not attach here, so again click on select the object and click on move option here and specific point we should to attach here we should attach here. See here we can attach it. Then after now we should add the cross. Go to the arch here, click on arch here, center stand to and you should click on it here and next point we should add center point here, my center point here and this is the starting edge point and towards the this is my end point. Click on here, we get it the door and here we should copy paste here and select and escape it, select the object and copy, click on copy and select the specific point and my point is here. To move the left side to attach here and click on attach. See we can see here we did not attach, so click on object and we move it and specific point here and zoom it and here click on here, we get the door and I want to attach the two sides doors. I want to attach a double door I want. So what one should do? Click on all, select the all object and we should take a mirror and take a mirror option here and select the point. See we get it up to here, we got it. Click on no option and select the downwards escape it. Select these two boxes only selected and simply delete it. We can, so here we get it door, and we should add like that windows like this. So in Windows we should add the windows, then go to the here, click on the on Windows option, and then after go to the rectangle and click on here first specific point, and this is my 5 inches comma, and this is my 3 feet, and enter it. See here we get it the windows, and next we should add the we should like this we should get it, and and take a offset. Here we should take a offset, and first of all we should this first of all this one is exported. So what I should do, X we should export and X enter, it will be export. See like this, here we can see here exported like this. Here we can see single line will be exported. Then after we should trim it, we should take a offset, and the distance is at a distance is 1 inches. Enter it. Select the object towards the downward, same like it downwards also. We get it the windows, and here we should add this line we should add copy paste. Here we should select the object, and next go click on the copy option and select the specific point here toward the midpoint. Here we toward the midpoint, click on here, escape it, and click on here to move the downward direction. Click it. Here we can see as a downward direction, and go to the trim, TR, enter trim. We should do the TR and enter it, and select the object here like this we should trim it, and then after we should take a big like this only. We should take the big window and smaller window we get we should take, and next we should trim also like this, trim, and then after we should add the doors and windows. Where we should add the windows and doors, here we can see here this is my entrance door, so I want to add it here, and escape it, and to select all, and here move option is there, click on move. Here we select the point, this point to where you want to
Hello guys.
click on here.
Previous class we learned about what is the AutoCAD.
Here we can move it here. Click on move option and select the object, and click on move to select the specific point. Here my specific point to move here. Where you should add it here door, you can easily paste it. Here I want to paste the door. So and click on here and X, and you should X enter, and we get it the explode, and click on move option, select the object. First of all, we should select the object, then after we should can easily to move. And enter it, and here we can move it to right side, and here simply paste it here. Here we added the main door. Next we should add the, here we should select the object, and here copy, click on copy and select the specific point, edge point, and here we should paste here one door. Here one door I want to paste, and here one door I want to paste, and here one door I want to paste, here one, here one, sorry, here one I want to paste here, and escape it. Here we can change the direction. Click here and click here. To here we should rotate it, and click on here option, rotate option, and click on here. Okay, we click it here, and towards upward direction I need. So take a mirror option and select it. Select the object, and click on the mirror option and enter it. Okay, did not select, escape it, comments will be cancelled. So again we should added the doors. So here we take it the mirror option, and first of all we select the objects, and enter it to select the specific point here to upward direction. Click on it. That's it. We can drag it. So I want to give the space point. I want to here edge, not a edge point. I want to give a space towards the right side direction. So I want to select the object. First of all we should trim it. We already trim it, no? So and click on move option here, escape it. First of all you select the object, and to move select the specific point here, to move here, paste it. Like this we should add the these all doors. Like this doors was added. So next we should add the windows, and select the window, select the windows here and select it here, copy, click on copy here, and take a specific point, paste it here one, here paste it one, and simply escape it. This point was not selected, so again click on option this, copy, select the specific point, we should add it here, we added here, again this point we should add it, we get it the points, and simply escape it. And here I want to paste the windows, so that's why you should first of all you select the object, and here also we should select to all points. All points are selected, and click on move option here, and here selected point, specific point, and I want to add it here one. Okay, this is my I want to minimize the this one. So you select the object, and it's to move. Click on the move option and select the specific point here. To move where we should pasting, you simply here drag it to toward the downward direction and paste it, and like this we should paste the all windows. Here we can horizontal is there, we should add the vertical. So what we should do, first of all we select the object, then go to the rotate and click on the rotate and click on point. We can change the rotate directions here, and we can see here. So again we should like that, we should select all and click on copy here and select the specific point here. Okay, escape it. Here we can see here, like this we can change the copied, and next we should add it up, place it here. Here we can place it, and then here also there be required, we can add it. Click on here and escape it. Then after we get the windows are placed like this, windows are pasted. So we learn in next class we learn about trimming. Here we extended windows is there, no? So in next class we can see it. Thank you.